Wow! Empress energy. Abundant, prosperity, yun ang laman ng isip mo. Ang paunlarin ang sarili mong buhay 'no, at ipagpatuloy 'no, ang tamang ikot ng iyong life right here. This is you, you wanna pursue here things na tingin mo magbe-benefit ka at nakikita ko rito 'no, na this is you. Alam mo ba na ang Empress energy is someone it's giving me the vibe that you can live on your own. It's like whatever you do right here, inuuna mo rito ang iyong own sake. But you're not greedy though. You're not greedy. An empress is not greedy. Okay? An empress is someone here who shares his or her blessings with other people and is very generous pagdating sa kanyang mga mahal sa buhay. So yeah, let's see what's going on here for you guys. Let's see. I'm seeing that you're creating here a foundation of your life. And you're giving too much focus. Too much focus right here. And you're unstoppable. I want to build this strong foundation. I want to build this legacy right here. Whatever it is, it's something here, no? Na alam mo talaga na makatutulong sa'yo, paunlarin ang buhay mo, palawigin rito, no? Ang yung pinansyal, ang magandang pamumuhay, ganon. That is what is in your mind. That is what is in your plans. No? Tell me more about this thing. A lot of actions ang gagawin mo pa dito. Okay, let's go! Oh, okay. Ayan, taray. Antaray. Ikaw na. Saya mga babes. Okay, so hi and hello new subscribers and returning subscribers. Welcome sa Dalnim, no? So kung hindi pa kayo nakakapag-subscribe, you might want to hit that, no? You might want to consider that. Parang pindot mo yung bell para ma-update ka kapag meron na tayo dito na freshly upload, no? Like umusok-usok pa. Freshly upload, no? Like, kakalabas lang sa oven na reading. Pero yun nga, na just take how this resonates here with you guys. So, Tagalog for all signs readings ito, no? Kaya naman, maraming salamat sa suportang binibigay niyo. So, yun nga tayong gender dito, babae, lalaki, LGBT. Okay, lahat kayo welcome. You can flip roles if you want. Pero dito, I do not think that this is flippable because I do strongly see that this is your energy collective. So yeah, mga babes, no, yan, no. By the way, my name is Yan pala, if hindi nyo pa knows. Thank you so much for being here with me. Yan. So, nakikita ko rito with the Nine of Pentacles energy, King of Swords, Three of Swords energy, Strength to the Seven of Wands energy. I do see that this is you. Whether you are a guy or a girl or a woman or an LGBT or a man right here. So whatever your gender is, okay, I do see you here, no, na ang tapang-tapang mo. At nagtataglay ka ng masculine energy. Yes, even though you are a woman, no, doesn't have to be na pag binanggit masculine, pang lalaki lang, no, hindi, wala tayong gender dito sa energy tarot readings, no. So, nakikita ko rito that you are matapang, ini-embodies mo yung strong energy and matalino ka rin ngayon. Mas matalino ka, mas wiser ka, mas matapang ka ngayon. You can now be able to protect yourself. Yes, I mentioned now, no? Nakikita ko kasi mga babes, no, na noon, hindi ko sinasabi, no, na duwag kayo noon or whatever, no. Nakikita ko kasi noon, no, na kayo to na parang this is you, malaya kang napapahayag yung sarili mo. You are a very warm and loving individual on earth. And I think isinilang kang ganyan ng parents mo, no? Hindi ka lampa at hindi ka rin duwag. Pero ikaw to, no, that you have this kind of free spirit wherein you touches every people's heart, no? Bata ka palang ganun ka na, no? You tend to brighten everyone's day. You are so loving, very sweet, no? Young energy noon hanggang mga babes, no? Ikaw ay lumaki o lumalaki, no? Napalaki ka rito ng mga magulang mo ng maganda, at nakikita ko rito na ikaw ay nagtataglay na ng isang malinis na puso, no? Mabait ka rito nilalang at nakikita ko yon, no? At nakikita ko na ikaw ay isang mapagbigay at napaka understanding na individual. So, nakikita ko rito, no, na ngayon, mas matalino ka na. Ngayon, mas matapang ka na. No, nakikita ko rito na kaya mo nang protektahan yung sarili mo ngayon, no? So, yung ibang mga babes, no, pwedeng kayo to na yung mga hardships, mga difficulties, this three of swords energy, no? May mga heart pain or heartache mga situations rin kayong pinagdaanan noon, no? And I think yun yung what's that word? Humubog, yes. Humubog, no, sa kung ano ka ngayon, no? So, nakikita ko rito, no, that this is you, okay? You have this type of energy, okay? Na parang meron ka rito na parang energy na binibigay sa akin na palaban na ako ngayon. Hindi na ako yung gaya ng dati. Yan, no? Hindi naman sa na-lose mo or na-lost mo, mga babes, no? Yung pagiging warm mo. But this is you, ganun ka pa din, okay? Pero sa mga deserving lang, 'di ba? So, nakikita ko rito that this is you, nakakapagod maging nice with other people, okay? So, whatever the case may be, this is you, no? Binibigay mo lang yung sarili mo sa mga deserve na bigyan mo ng ganyang klase ng atensyon. Lumalabas ka rito bilang may energy ka ng King of Swords energy, no? Ikaw to na sinisigurado mo ngayon na lahat ng mga gagawin mo, no, sa areas of your life ay talaga naman, no, na talagang plakado at talagang yung mga desisyong gagawin mo ay talagang hindi ka rito magre-regret or hindi mo pagsisisihan yung mga desisyong gagawin mo sa buhay, no? So, nakikita ko rito na ikaw to, no, na alam mo na kaya mong magtagumpay on your own, that you do not need any help of anybody just to be successful or just to, become someone here, no, na pinapangarap mo. Yes, of course. Okay? You do not need anybody, okay, na magdadala sa'yo do'n. Yeah, meron kang mga tao or connections, 'no, na puwedeng maging inspirasyon mo, 'no, habang sa paglalakbay sa journey mo. Pero this is you realizing, 'no, na, ang success ay nanggagaling walang iba kundi sa'yo lamang. Oo, maaaring maging inspirasyon mo sila. Oo, maaaring makatulong sila, magbigay ng tips sa'yo, mag-advice sa'yo, 'no, pero alam mo, 'no, na ikaw at ikaw lang yung dapat mong sandalan dito, no matter what. So, nakikita ko rito, mga babes, 'no, that this is you, 'no. Puwedeng dati iniintindi mo pa yung sitwasyon, 'no. Parang dati, 'no, ikaw 'to na parang super understanding mo, like you're very patient right here. Like sometimes hindi na yun tama, no? Sometimes you're not realizing you're tolerating here some kind of mistake. Not just in love, no? Pwedeng sa ibang bagay, no? Pwedeng sa ibang ibang mga kasama mo sa life, no? Pwedeng sa relatives, sa family members, no? So, you're realizing here, nagmamature yung isip mo, nagiging mas wise ka, no? Nagiging ka rito, no, na independent, no. You can now say na you can live your life on your own, no? Pero hindi ko sinasabi na ayaw niyo ng love life dito, no? Nakita tayo rito ng gusto mo yan, no? And I'm picking up right here that this is you. You're just realizing now, okay, na kailangan mong tumayo sa sarili mong paa. Na kailangan mo rito mga babes 'no, na walang dapat na asahan kundi ang sarili mo, 'no. This is you, meron ka ritong mga tao 'no, na posibleng makasama and you're realizing 'no, that these people here will just accompany you 'no, sasamahan ka nila whether there's here to stay, whether there's here for short term only, not just in love, okay. Pero meron rin mga friends 'no, na may mga role lang 'yan sa life natin 'no, and you're realizing their roles 'no. Hindi ka na nagiging, hindi ka na rito yung parang naapektuhan ng malaki 'no, kung sila man ay saglitan lang sa buhay mo 'no, you're letting them go, 'di ba? Because you're realizing here that all you need is yourself. You're not being selfish, ha? You're just realizing 'no, na hindi mo, kailangan iasa 'no, ang lahat or kung ano man 'no, yung mga bagay 'no, na parang 'pag nawala yung person, hindi ka rin dito parang mauupos or parang mapuputulan ng pakpak, if you know what I mean. So this is yeah, you know that song? I know that song, parang parang yun yung I don't know why, kung tama yung lyrics ko na parang, "I need a superhero lover, oh yeah, yo." So yeah, whatever the case may be, yeah, you can protect yourself, you're wiser, you're stronger right here, pero pagdating sa lover, eh, you need a superhero lover gives me this type of message like, you just want someone here who will protect you. Okay? Like yung magiging support mo, okay? Hindi lamang sa kapagka meron kang kaaway or may mga taong ayaw sa'yo 'no, yung ready makipagbubugan, hindi lang dun 'no, kundi yung someone will protect you, keep you warm and safe in all areas of your life 'no. Ibig sabihin nun will protect you 'no, na hindi ka niya hahayaan ritong makaranas ng gutom, ng problema ng mag-isa, gano'n 'no. Will protect you. Okay? In any ways possible, no? So I think you need a superhero. Superhero is someone here like we do all know invincible, no? Okay, their power is so mighty right here, no? And you just want someone here, no, na talagang maaasahan mo at poprotektahan ka, no, ano man ang mangyari. So see, just wanted love life as well. So this is you, no, na parang ikaw to na you need someone who will support you. At yung ready na maging bahay para sa'yo. Okay, ganun ang kuha ko rito, no? Like this person here will literally keep you safe and sound. Yun yung nakikita ko rito, no? So, nakita ko rito that someone here is coming towards you and this could be your twin flame soulmate. Yan, no? For some of you, that's the case. Okay, because I'm seeing right here fire and water. So it looks like this is you. Okay, doesn't have to be that you're dealing with fire signs or water signs only, no? Okay, I'm just saying that this could be somewhat here a very strong and powerful connection coming towards you guys. And others of you, pwedeng meron ka na ritong napupusuan or nakikitaan ng ganitong quality, no? Like this person here, nakukonsider mo siya, no? As superhero lover. So, ano ba ang superhero? Almost perfect in your eyes, no? In your eyes. Doesn't have to be na meron siya ritong kasing katawan ni Superman, kasing sexy ni Wonder Woman, no? But with the superhero with clean heart, superhero with that purest intentions to keep you safe and sound and will save you. Even though if he or she needs to risk his or her own life. See? So, alam mo sa sarili mo na kahit ganun ka pa katapang, no, you are acknowledging as well, no, like life's journey, no, will be more colorful if you are with someone here. And when it comes to that lifetime partner, you want someone here, no, that will be a superhero to you. Okay? Yung alam niya na malakas ka, pero alam niya rin na gusto mo ring protektahan. Yung alam niya, no, na kaya mo namang gawin yan, pero gusto niya pa rin yang gawin, no, nakasama ka. Hmm, yung alam niya na kahit hindi mo naman kailangan ng tulong, no, pero alam niya, no, na gusto mo pa rin, no, yung parang nandiyan pa rin siya. Yes, you want that love. And others of you, nakikita mo na yon sa kakonek mo ngayon. So, yung iba, pwedeng ka in relationship nyo na. Yan. Yung iba, paparating pa lamang siya. Pero with the Queen of Wands energy, Seven of Cups energy, Five of Wands, ay nako, alam mo ba, in the immediate future, nalalapit na 'to 'no, kung ikaw ay single 'no, marami kang magiging options when it comes to love. Hindi sila sabay-sabay dadating, pero magkakaroon ka ng more than two options when it comes to love 'no, at nakikita ko rito na handa sila ritong mag-away-away para sa'yo. So whatever the case may be 'no, nakikita ko rito na yung iba 'no, meron kayo ritong litaw na talagang options when it comes to love 'no. And others of you, nakikita ko kayo rito 'no, na talagang iba yung magiging glow ninyo kasi hindi lang kayo sa love life ninyo talagang siswertihin kundi pagdating rin 'no, sa mga offers ng kaperahan 'no, pag-increase ng kaperahan ninyo 'no. So nakikita ko rito na pag-aagawan ka rin kung paghahanap ng trabaho ang maaari mo ritong isagawa in the near future, nakita ko ng pagpipilian na talagang hahabulin ka nila 'no or talagang kukumbinsihin ka nila 'no to be a part of their company or to be one of their team. Gano'n yung nakukuha ko rito 'no. Because you will elevate more in the immediate future here or in the near future here for you guys, and that's what I love. You are wiser, you are stronger, and you have a superhero lover. Wow! So these are all the messages I've got right here for you. Sweetheart, thank you so much. Sarang hayo, love and light. Annyeong!